Most hoteliers rely on gut feeling when setting up their booking engine add-ons. You offer breakfast, parking, and maybe a bottle of wine because it seems logical, but the data says you're probably leaving thousands in ancillary revenue on the table. We recently tracked a hotel that struggled to sell a single add-on for months. We switched off their manual intuition and switched on Melissa's AI add-ons. The result? They've sold at least one add-on every single day since launch. Today, I'm showing you why 40% of guests are now choosing the mathematically probable over the logically obvious, and how you can use this to kill SaaS vapor and start seeing real bank deposits. The problem with most booking engines isn't a lack of choice, it's choice paralysis. When you give a guest 10 options, they choose 0. Even worse, your static add-ons don't adapt. If a guest adds a second occupant or changes a rate plan, their needs shift instantly. If your booking engine is still showing romantic package to a solo business traveler who just booked a one-night stay at 11 p.m., you've already lost the sale. You're not just missing a sale, you're telling the guest you don't understand them. This is where the guest-centric Melissa AI takes over. It doesn't use intuition. It uses historic data, booking pace, and room-type probability. It looks at the current flow and identifies the 2 specific add-ons with the highest mathematical probability of being booked right now. Sometimes, the AI excludes options that seem logical to a human but are statistically noise to a guest. By narrowing the focus to high-probability matches, we've seen 40% of customers, nearly 1 in 2, selecting Melissa's recommendation. This isn't a maybe feature, it's a conversion machine. For the growth-oriented hotelier, this is the easiest way to fight OTA dependency. Every dollar of ancillary revenue booked directly is a dollar the OTAs can't touch. The tech is real, the data is in, and the revenue is waiting. If you're ready to stop guessing and start using the math of upselling, check the link below to see how hypercommerce can transform your business.